Alright guys, so today's video is about the Oraimo Freepods 3 versus the Oraimo Riff smaller for comfort true wireless earbuds. It has been 2 months now that Oraimo has released this Oraimo Riff into the market, and a lot of people have been confused between these two earbuds. They look similar in a lot of ways and people think they are twin, but not. In this video I'll be sharing with you the differences and the similarities. Yeah, I'll be sharing with you the things you need to know about both earbuds and which one is the best and my final recommendation. And if you are new here, a subscribe to the channel is much appreciated, as I do a lot of reviews on smartwatches and earbuds. So if that really interests you, please consider subscribing to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified once I post a new video like this one. Without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. Now let's start with the similarities. These two earbuds, if you are looking at them with their charging case, you notice that both of them have oval shape and Oraimo branding at the front. Though the Oraimo Riff look a bit smaller in terms of the shape, but if you are to look them very well, this makes Oraimo Riff to be pocketable any day, anytime. Underneath both earbud cases, you'll find the Type-C charging port, which you can use to juice up any of these earbuds. And bringing out the earbuds from their case, you'll notice that they both have stem style design that come out in the hair like this. Because I'm a fan of stem style design earbuds, I can tell you both of them look cool. Now, they both have touch sensors in them that makes it easy to control, very effective. Once you just tap on it, you can easily pause and play your music anywhere. And also both earbuds feature ENC, which is the environmental noise cancellation. This helps you to have a clearer call experience between you and the other person at the end of the call, so you have a very clear call even if you are in a noisy environment. Basically everything between this Oraimo Riff and the Oraimo Freepods in terms of their packaging and everything is just the same thing. You have the extra earbud tips and you have the small Type-C charging cable with the manual, and that is all. Now let's look into the major differences. I don't want to make this video very long for you, so I'll just be cutting into the major places that I would like you to know, which are the price, the Bluetooth version, battery capacity, call quality, comfort and sound quality. And now let's start with the price. The price of Oraimo Freepods 3 is about 15,900 naira, which sometimes comes down if they are doing promo, and the Oraimo Riff smaller for comfort true wireless earbud goes for 10,900 naira. Comparing the prices of both, you agree with me that the 5,000 naira difference between these two earbuds is enough to buy you something else on Oraimo eShop website like a power bank. But is that 5,000 naira worth it? Don't let the price difference confuse you. So let's continue. Now, talking about the Bluetooth version. The Bluetooth version for Oraimo Freepods 3 is 5.2, while the Oraimo Riff has a Bluetooth version of 5.0. With that being said, during my testing, I didn't see any difference between these two earbuds. In fact, both of them did very well in terms of connecting and stability. Both of them have low latency during gameplays, and also they both give stable connectivity in their 10 meters range. So it's not much of a difference there. Now let's check out their battery capacity. Both earbuds have decent battery life. The Oraimo Riff earbuds has 35 mAh for each of its earbuds and 300 mAh for its charging case, while the Oraimo Freepods 3 has a bigger 45 mAh for each of its earbuds and a massive 500 mAh for its charging case. You don't really expect an earbud that have a small size like that to have a bigger battery in them, right? So in real life test, Oraimo Freepods 3 lasts longer, playing for 7 hours 30 minutes, while the Oraimo Riff lasted for 4 hours thereabout. So in this category, Oraimo Freepods 3 is the winner. If you are to look at it from the sound quality aspect, I can tell you for free that both earbuds give very good sound. In fact, the Oraimo Riff has a very good bass and the highs are clear. The vocals and the drums and the beat, everything comes out very good when you are playing music with them. But you can't compare it to the Oraimo Freepods 3 that has a 30mm dynamic drivers in them that are very sensitive and give that punchy bass for that immersive listening experience. So in this department, Oraimo Freepods 3 takes the lead. Another thing that you should look out for is the comfort. Between these two earbuds, some people actually complained about Oraimo Freepods 3 giving them earache. I think those people are just smaller ear size kind of people, but for me, I have a medium sized ear and some people have large ears. In Oraimo Freepods 3 pack, you can see extra ear tip that you can change with, but people still complain, and this is where the Oraimo Riff actually comes in. You know, the name is smaller for comfort earbud, and this actually lives up to its name. Using these earbuds for a while, I noticed that it is very light and comfortable in the ear. Once you put it in your ear, you can even forget about having something in your ear. So Oraimo Riff wins this category. On to the call quality department. The call quality department is one of the most important factors if you are getting an earbud, and Oraimo actually tried their best in putting 2-mic environmental noise cancellation technology on the Oraimo Riff, while the Oraimo Freepods 3 has 4-mic beamforming technology that makes every word you speak be clearly delivered, heard, and know. What did you say? Pardon, what did you just say? But let me share with you the testing of these two earbuds outside.
All right, guys. So this is the call quality test of the Oraimo Riff TWS earbuds, and this is what you'll be getting if you are buying one right away. And this is how it sounds. The outside is not much breezy. And testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2. All right, guys. So this is the call quality test of the Oraimo Freepods 3, and this is what we'll be getting if you are buying one right away. This is how it sounds, and it is not much of a breeze outside here. So this is the testing. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2.
From the test, you notice that the two earbuds did very well, and you agree with me that the Oraimo Freepods 3 actually sounds better outdoors. So with those noises being clamped down, you can easily hear everything from the other end of the call with the Oraimo Freepods 3. Now, what about the waterproof rating? You ask. The waterproof rating on the Oraimo Freepods 3 is IPX5, while the Oraimo Riff smaller for comfort true wireless earbuds has just IPX4, which means the Oraimo Freepods 3 can tolerate and withstand more water conditions like heavy sweating or light showers. In conclusion, if you are to calculate the scores between the Oraimo Riff and the Oraimo Freepods 3, you agree with me that the Oraimo Freepods 3 is the winner. So here is my recommendation. If you are someone that receives a lot of call and you go for online meetings like Zoom meeting, WebEx, or go-to meetings, something like that, then I will recommend you pick the Oraimo Freepods 3. And if you are someone that has smaller ears but you don't really listen to music for a long time and you want something of comfort in your ears that won't disturb you, maybe you are jogging or doing something right in your office, then the Oraimo Riff is the best one for you. Now, which of these earbuds are you going to buy? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and if you have any question, please drop it down there. I will reply you as soon as possible. I remain Babatunde Omota. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video showing right on your screen. Stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.